Hello my loves and welcome to yet another video. This is my second video for the year. I'm trying to be more consistent when posting. So today we're going to be doing some press-on nails. If you enjoy this video, please remember to like, comment, share, and if you have not yet subscribed, please do that. Today's press-on nails are inspired by Valentine's Day, which is around the corner. So yeah, enjoy the video and then I'll be telling you step by step what we're going to be doing. Okay, so first we're going to start off with your stand. I've already have my stand on with the nails and I have shaped them already and I have buffed them, removed the shine from the surface. These are the things that I will be using. The acetone is going to be just to clean up when I'm drawing. So yeah, those are the two brushes that I'm going to be using. Okay. Yeah, and that as well. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is apply some red at the bottom. I'm applying this because we are doing a red bottom inspired nail design. Red is the color of love and these are Valentine's Day inspired. So yeah, so I think for the rest of this month, that's what we're going to be doing. I'm going to be showing you guys different Valentine's Day designs, basically. Whatever, even if they're inspired by a specific look, I will also show that on my, like I'll insert the picture. But these ones, I don't know, I just decided to do them like this. So okay, so you're just gonna apply, but as you can see, the nails are, I'm sorry, the coat isn't as even as I would like it to be. So I'm going to be applying 2 coats of this red. I really like the shade of red. It's gorgeous, but it does apply very thinly, so which is not necessarily a bad thing, because then you can just apply more, because you do know with gel this is more anyway. Then I'm gonna cure that. Now that I am done with the red coat, I'm going to be applying some white on top, just so that the red does not show through. Okay, because the pigment I'm going to be using next is it's thin. Also, there's very little left, so yeah, it is a struggle. Okay, it was a serious struggle applying it on, but yeah. So I'm gonna just be applying white to all of the nails, and then I'm going to apply the pink. Now that all of that is cured, I'm going to start applying a pink shade. This is a French tip, so it is a classic French tip. As you can see, what I was talking about, it's ancient. Okay, I've had this gel for years now. Okay, for years it has just been sitting collecting dust. I've been using it. Some of it I don't even know where it went. So yeah. Just gonna be applying until it looks okay. So that's what you guys are gonna be watching, and I'll come back when I'm done. Okay, so now that we're done applying that pink color, I'm going to be drawing a French tip. Guys, I still don't have it. I still don't quite have it, but I think this time it's not that bad. They kind of look the same, not like last time. This time I think they almost look the same, so that means I almost got it right. So I just drew those lines there, the outline, and then I'm going to be going in with the bottles applicator, the bottle applicators thing, and then I'm just gonna be applying that. And then so I was not happy with the outcome as usual, so I applied another coat. Okay, now that that's done, I started drawing the hearts. So here I'm just showing you how I drew the hearts. So I made 2 dots at first, and then I just connected them with lines, just like that. Okay, I'll show you another one. 2 dots and a line. Oh, 2 lines. So that's what I did with all those colors. Okay, you're gonna cure that, then you're gonna apply some base coat to seal it in. I'm also going to be using the same base coat to apply some rhinestones because I don't have rhinestone glue, so this works just as fine also. And when you apply top coat on top of that, it seals the stones in. Okay, so yeah, that is it. And now we have the final product. After you apply the top coat, this is what they came out to looking like. So please do like it if you enjoy the video. Do subscribe if you have not yet. Comment what else you'd like me to do. If you guys would like me to show you some more beading stuff like usual. Yeah. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.